Hi everybody, welcome back to another Food Review vlogging channel. My name is Manzione. Thank you so much for joining me today. Well folks, I'm going to wish you a pleasant good afternoon. It is now Saturday, September 15th, 2018. We're halfway through September. Oh my lord, we're halfway through September. That's crazy. So, I want to welcome you back to another edition of Subway Sundays. Obviously, this video will be released tomorrow on Subway Sundays. And if you guys don't know what Subway Sundays is, every Sunday or thereabouts, I go to Subway and explore the menu. I've done things like I've done half the menu stuff. I've done stuff that the manager recommendations. I should restate that I've done stuff that is recommended by the manager. There we go. That's what I'm trying to say. Yay. Okay. And I've done weird and kooky stuff. However, this week, I didn't know what to do. Who knows what to do at Subway? They haven't released anything new up in my area yet. So, I'm like, okay, what do I do? So, I'm like, I go into my local Subway. They know me by name. They go, hey, Nick, what do you want this time? So, I'm like, you know what? Let's go basic. Let's go back to basics this time. And I think I created something awesome. We're gonna take it out of the summer down. There it is. Okay. Woo. It's like I'm wrapping a present. There we go. If I can lift it up, that'd be great. There. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is called the PTS. There we go. It's called the PTS. This is the pepperoni, turkey, and spinach wrap. There we go. Go in focus. It's called the PTS. The pepperoni, turkey, spinach wrap. On spinach wrap. So we're gonna put this on for now, and I'm super starving, so hopefully there are napkins. Okay, there are no napkins. Oh, there's a napkin there. I lied. Yay! Okay, just unwrap that. Get out my iced tea. There we are. Take a drink with us. Oh, that's great. Okay. So, it's very basic. It's very quick. Let's see what the PTS tastes like. Let's go. So for the dressing, I put the standard sweet onion chicken, sweet onion teriyaki, Subway vinaigrette, and honey mustard. Not bad. My pepperoni is very spicy, as you can tell. Not bad. I like this. It's got a kick to it, but it's very hearty. It's kind of healthy, although the pepperoni is not very healthy, but it's portable protein, and it's really good. So let's take this bite here. Oh, I put cucumbers in too. I forgot I put cucumbers. So you know what? I don't know what I put in it, but apparently I put in it olives, cucumbers, and green peppers to make it a salad. So the PTS is awesome. Let's take one more bite and then we'll evaluate it. All the flavors mirror at the bottom, which is awesome. And the spinach wrap is not bad either. So, we're going to evaluate this, or we're going to rate this on a scale of 1 to 10. I'm going to give the Subway PTS a rating of 8 out of 10, folks. It is that good. It is very tasty. It's a quick snack. It's a portable protein packet. So if you want a quick snack, if you're feeling down, this will let you back up. Oh, this is so good. And spinach wrap is not bad. It's very good. Let's get to, you know what? I'm going to give it an 8.5 out of 10. I'm going to increase my rating. Look at that. That doesn't look good. That looks very good. It's very good. I highly recommend you get the PT or the PTS from Subway. I will get it again. Definitely. You will not be disappointed. Just look at that. Does that make you disappointed? No, that makes me happy. So make sure you get this. This is awesome. And make sure you get it cold. Don't get it hot, get it cold. This is a cold wrap. This is awesome. Well, folks, I'm going to go finish this up. I'm going to go shoot some other food reviews. I want to thank you for watching. And that will end this week's Subway Sunday. Please like, please share, please subscribe to all my videos. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, from the Food Lab, this is Nick Manzione signing off. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.